This is a rare arts and crafts style brick townhouse that was built in 1907, but was just fully renovated, and you won't believe what it has. All right, it's got 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. The 2024 renovation redid the kitchen. It's better than a restaurant kitchen. Plus, like I said, it's in Windsor Terrace. Windsor Terrace, right there at Prospect Park and the subway and stuff, but I don't think you're taking the subway if you're going to be renting this house. But it has full parquet floors, restored oak parquet floors. That's like what the Boston Celtics play on. You understand what I'm saying? That's just gorgeous. It has stained glass skylight over the staircase. It has a front and back outdoor space with a deck. Okay, look at this kitchen. Look at that. Imagine what you could not cook in that, or cook in that, whichever way you go. Now, you may be saying to yourself, why would I want to rent a house for $11,000 a month? Well, number one, you're really stinking rich, okay? And if you are thinking about renting this house, please buy me a coffee. The link's in the description. But say you're coming into Brooklyn to do a job and you got your family with you. You don't want to rent, a hotel room. So you rent this for a year. Not bad, right? $11,000 a month. I think that includes central air. I don't know about heat, but it's not a bad deal if you actually look at it. So for you and me, no, there's no chance that we're even probably ever going to get invited into this house. But I made the video for you and me. Take a look around the house, steal some decorating ideas. Take a look at what you could do if you ever did win the lottery, which you and I never will, and enjoy what is out there. Enjoy what Brooklyn is today. And subscribe, keep watching, and I'll keep showing you things that we'll never have, but we'll want. On Brooklyn, now, then, and.
Peace.
Have a nice day.